Hey. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Come on. This is E plus G Unlimited. Everything is different. Welcome to our world. Come see how we live in it. Yeah, we're the best brothers. Sports, games, nature. We your friends forever. You can call me E, and I'm G. What's up? E plus G Unlimited.
Hi everyone, I'm Elijah, and this is
Grayson,
and this is E plus G Unlimited. Today we're doing something very cool.
Drum roll please.
Vision boards. A vision board is a place to show your goals, dreams, and other favorite things. You could use pictures, drawings, or words. We decided to use old magazines, scissors, Sharpies, poster board, and glue. Also, crayons and stickers. You could use your own categories and ideas.
Or download these tips that we just made for you.
Check it. Grab it down below and print it out to do it with us.
There's no wrong way to make a vision board. You can update it anytime, beginning, middle, or end of the year. What's on your vision board? Let us know in the comments.
For my goal, I want to draw. And for this picture, I want to go to New York because my mom never brought me to New York. And this one is a drawing of space because I want to go out to see space. And this one is about football, and because I would want to play football.
This one I put like one of the monocle letter thingies so that I could spell words. Right here it spells I want to be a king when I grow up. And I put my name right here, Grayson. I put how old I am right here, and I put basketball. And since LeBron James is King James, I put King James right here. And then I put a lot of K's because king, you know. And then I didn't find a G.
So I just did an O and then my favorite thing is ice cream.
This is me shooting a hoop, an animal. It's a worm. And then a nice little city going on. And then here's, of course, LeBron James. That's all that, right? And then don't pay attention to this right here.
You're watching E plus G Unlimited, where we go beyond the playroom.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell
So you don't miss any more episodes of E plus G Unlimited. Bye guys.
Bye.